Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive right in and learn how to create a family tree in Notion. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. The first step is to set up a new page in Notion. Click the plus on the sidebar and select Empty Page. Name it something like Family Tree. This is where we'll start building our family tree. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for our project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Click on the body of the page and select Table from the drop-down menu. This is what we will use to input our family data. The reason we do this is because tables in Notion are dynamic, easy to edit, and provide a clear overview of information. Next up, it's time to customize the table. You can add columns for name, birth year, death year, relation, and any other information you might find relevant. This helps us because it allows us to record all the necessary details about our family members, making our tree more informative. Now, it's time to fill the table with your family data. Starting with your immediate family, input the details in the relevant columns. Remember, the relation column should describe how each person is related to you. This is important because it helps us keep track of our relations and makes the tree easy to understand. Once you've filled in your immediate family, you can start adding your extended family. Add rows as you need them and make sure to fill in the relation column accurately. Let me explain why this matters. The accuracy of this information is crucial in mapping out a precise family tree. Now that we've filled in our table, let's turn it into a visual tree. Click on the Create Link Database option and choose Board. This automatically pulls our table data and presents it visually. This helps us because it enables us to see our family tree in a more intuitive and engaging format. That's it. You've now created your family tree in Notion. Just remember to keep your table updated as your family grows and changes. This not only keeps your family tree accurate, but also keeps it alive and breathing. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate what's happening behind the scenes. The beauty of Notion is its ability to bring data to life. With just a few clicks, we turned a simple table into a living family tree. It's a testament to the power and versatility of Notion. And that brings us to the end of our tutorial on how to create a family tree in Notion. Thanks for being with us. We hope you found this guide helpful and informative. Until next time, happy Notioning!